Hello students, this is our we are now back to our lessons in English, and today our lesson is about learning connective words. So maybe you are thinking, what are connective words? In this lesson we're going to learn the basic connective words or conjunctions. So I will teach you what they are, and I will teach you how to use it when talking about our activities such as cooking an omelette like this one. Alright, we'll practice um, using the basic connective words in cooking an omelette. Please listen carefully and watch from your screens so that you can understand this lesson correctly. Alright, so let's go. First, what we need to do is to identify the conjunctions and what they mean. What are connective words? Connective words are words used to connect words, phrases, clauses, and sentences so that they are in a sequence. That's what connective words are. They are also called conjunctions. So, for example, imagine this is a word. Let's maybe it's pen. Do you know what a pen is? All right. So that's imagine this pen, and let us imagine this part also as a word. Maybe it's paper. Now, if you want to connect pen, paper, what word do you need to put in between? Pen, paper. What is the word that we need to put in here? Okay, and. Oh, and. So and is a connective word because it connects pen and paper. So and is a connective word. Do you understand now? But there are so many other connective words that we will learn about. I will show you 5 in this lesson. So what are examples of connective words? First is and. In Thai it is le. Le or and is used to connect words, etc. in a series, just like salt, pepper, salt and pepper, pen and paper. So we use the word and to do that. Sometimes you also use that to connect activities. I will finish my homework and I will watch TV. Next is then. แล้วก็ in Thai. Then means next in procedure. You are doing something that has steps in doing it, and so you say then. So, for example, I will brush my teeth, then I will take a bath. So, we use the word then. Another is after that, langchaknan. After that means the time following. So, for example, you say, I will do my homework, period. After that, I will watch TV. So that is a connective word as well. Next is when, mua in Thai. When is used to say at or during a specific point. So when somebody asks you, when are you going to sleep? I will go to sleep when I finish watching TV. So you are saying that the at the specific point that you finish watching TV, you are going to sleep. And the last one, but there are many others. There are many other connective words that we can learn, but in this lesson I'm going to teach you just 5. The last is but, te in Thai. It means contrast. That means it's somewhat opposite to each other, but not necessarily. But it's a different idea than the first one. So, but. So we have learned 5 connective words: and, then, after that, when, but. Alright, now let us use those connective words in cooking an omelette. I will teach you how to cook an omelette and try to watch out for the connective words. See if you can guess what are the right connective words in the blanks. Okay. Step 1 is to gather the ingredients. We will need 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons whole milk, 1 tablespoon butter, salt, ground black pepper, your favorite filling, and chopped fresh herbs. So, what is the right connective word to put in here? Is it and, then, but, when, or after that? The correct word is and, because they are words in a series, so you put and in this blank. Step 2. Crack the eggs into a mixing bowl, blank, beat them until they turn yellow. What do you think is the right connective word to put in here? Is it and, then, but, when, or after that? The right word is and. Crack the eggs into a mixing bowl and beat them until they turn yellow. Step 3. Heat a non-stick pan with medium-low heat, blank blank, add the butter. So what do you think? As you can see, there are 2 words needed here. So what do you think is the first word? Is it and, then, but, when, or after that? So the first word we need to put is and. What do you think is the following word? What is the word here? It's then. Heat a non-stick pan with medium-low heat and then add the butter. What do you think is the word right here? and add the butter and let it melt. Okay. Step number 4. Add milk to the beaten egg plus salt, black pepper. What is the right connective word here? And salt and pepper. Now it ends with a period, but we have a blank here. Blank, whisk it. It's a long connective word. What do you think is it? After that, add milk to the beaten egg plus salt and pepper. After that, whisk it. Step 5. Blank the pan is hot enough. Pour the beaten eggs. So the person is saying that the pan is hot enough. Pour the beaten eggs. What do you think is the right word here? When is the right word. When the pan is hot enough, pour the beaten eggs. Blank, do not stir. What do you think is the right word here? The right word is but. Pour the beaten eggs, but do not stir. Wait for 2 to 3 minutes. There are no connective words needed here. Step 6 is put the fillings that you want in the middle of the egg. So, mushrooms, cheese, chopped herbs. Step 7. With a spatula, fold the egg across, blank, put it gently on a plate. This is a spatula. With a spatula, fold the egg across, blank, put it gently on a plate. What do you think is the right connective word here? It's the word then. With a spatula, fold the egg across, then put it gently on a plate. And so we have the final product, finished product, the omelette. Now we know how to cook an omelette, and we have used connective words. And, then, after that, but, and when. Keep in mind those connective words. Memorize it. Now let's go to our speaking activity. In our speaking activity, you'll use connective words. Listen carefully. Our speaking activity is about telling your activities using connective words. Remember, this is an individual activity. Individual. That means you don't need a partner to do it. Only one person each will do the activity. No partner. To do the activity, first, choose one topic. There are 3 topics that you can choose from. First topic is what you do after you wake up. So you'll choose, do you want this topic? What you do after you wake up. Number 2 topic is what you do before going to sleep. So that is another topic, what you do before going to sleep. Another topic is how to cook a basic dish. Maybe rice, omelette, fried chicken, something like that. Or tom yum, whatever. How to cook a basic dish. Tell how you do it It means the topic that you choose using the connective words we have learned. And, but, then, after that, when. Do it in 1 minute. So that's what you're going to do. So tell what you do after you wake up using and, but, then, after that, or when and when. If you want to choose this, what you do before going to sleep, tell how you do it using and, but, then, after that, and when. If you choose how to cook a basic dish, tell how you do it using and, but, then, after that, and when. Do it in 1 minute. Is that clear? Okay, so record a video clip and send it to Google Classroom. So that's all you need to do. Record a video clip of this and send it to Google Classroom. Or if you want, you can do the speaking activity in our next Google Meet session. All right. So that's all of our speaking activities. Do you have any questions? If you have any questions, just message your teacher in our Google Classroom. Okay, thank you very much, students. I hope that you have learned from our lesson today. Bye.